Wow, look at that.
Get your hair pretty.
It can't be as cool as yours.
Hey, look who I'm with. It's Donn Bennett from Donn Bennett's Drum Vault. And Donn has sold drums to everybody from who?
Well, everyone knows Ringo. That Charlie Watts.
Beatles. Yeah. He's got the most incredible drum sets. I went into his studio and he had all of these drum sets clear up on the rafters, just hanging and all the way around the whole thing. Some of them were like even on fire.
That's
like
right.
burned
Trey
up or
Cool.
something. What was that one?
It was Trey Cool's drum set.
Trey
that
Cool's.
He lit up on stage with Green Day, and I traded him a Black Beauty for that drum
And
set.
you got it.
Yes.
Oh, that thing was amazing. Okay, we just did the posture reset program with Donn. And, we forgot to tell him. Donn is also on my album.
That's right. That's right.
He played on my favorite song. It's Peacemaker, number 11. And it is my favorite. And he does the greatest drum part. And I can't stop listening to it. I promise you, I listen to it almost every single day.
Awesome.
I hear you every single day. And you just made my favorite song even more favorite. So thank you so much.
That was fun to just get tossed into the middle of that and see what happens. That was
It was a beautiful thing.
Yep.
All right, so we did the posture reset program.
And I can say, I feel very nice.
Yeah, tell me about that. What's going on?
I feel calm and I feel loose,
Okay.
which is a good thing.
You're kind of a calm guy anyway. You always
You might
seem
be
to have that. So one thing I did notice though, your left leg was 13 millimeters.
That's how low? That's what, about
That's
that much?
half an inch. Yeah, that's a half inch. 13 millimeters short on the left leg compared to the right. So you qualify for the short leg program that will fix 5 millimeters a month. If you just remember those blocks I put on there, and then how did I stretch you? What did we stretch? We stretched the left hamstring, but the right quad.
Right. So
Right. Unilateral, one-sided. You get this, people, we should not be stretching symmetrically. Our bodies are not symmetrical. You know why? Because 3,000 falls for the average teenager, 97% have a short leg, functional short leg syndrome, which means you're crooked butts. So stop stretching symmetrically, stretch the short side in the back and stretch the long side in the front, and you'll fix 5 millimeters a month and get on the blocks as well. And then we're gonna check back with you in 30 days and remeasure your legs and see where they're at. Sound like a plan? Beautiful. All right, the posture reset program strikes again with Donn Bennett. All right, the ROCKnDOC. All right, thank you, sir.